Chapter 5 Introduction to Microsoft PowerPoint 2016. Microsoft PowerPoint is a presentation software which helps us in making effective and professional presentations. Like a book is made of many pages, same way a presentation is also made up of many pages, known as slides. The slides can be arranged in any order as per our convenience. Fact bit. A slide is a single page of a presentation created with software such as PowerPoint. A presentation is composed of several slides. To display our work in different ways, we can choose different slide layouts. In our presentation, we can add charts, graphs, pictures, tables, etc. We can take out the printout of the presentations made. PowerPoint 2016 is the latest version of PowerPoint. It is used to present information in a visual way. It is widely used by speakers, trainers, and anyone who needs to give presentation to an audience. Fact bit. PowerPoint was developed by a former Berkeley PhD student, Robert Gaskins. Starting PowerPoint. To start PowerPoint on your computer, you can follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on the Start button. Step 2. Choose PowerPoint 2016 or PowerPoint. A start screen will appear. Step 3. Press ESC key or click on Blank Presentation to open a new presentation. Fact bit. By default, PowerPoint application opens with Title Slide as its first slide. Components of PowerPoint 2016 window. The component of the PowerPoint window are as follows. Title bar. This bar displays the name of active presentation on which you are working. It is present at the top of the PowerPoint window. It provides tool for managing the app window, ribbon, and content. Quick Access Toolbar. It is present at the left end of the title bar. It can be customized for including any commands which you want to be easily accessible. It shows the Save, Undo, Redo, and Start from Beginning button. Status bar. It displays the information about current presentation and provides access to certain PowerPoint functions. You can select which statistics and tools appear on the status bar. Ribbon. It is placed below the title bar. It has various commands and features arranged under different tabs like Home, Insert, Design, Animation, etc. Tell Me. The Tell Me box works like a search bar to help you quickly find tools and commands you want to use. Slide Navigation pane. It allows you to view and organize the slides in the presentation. It shows thumbnail version of each slide. Slide pane. It is the middle section of the PowerPoint window where you can work directly on individual slides. Notes pane. This section helps in adding notes to your current slide. It is also known as Speaker's Notes. Comments. In this area, reviewer may leave comment for any slide. View button. There are 4 ways to view your slides: Normal, Slide Sorter, Reading View, and Slideshow. Zoom Control Slider. It is used to zoom in or out the slides. Fact bit. There are 2 scroll bars present on the PowerPoint window. Vertical to shift up or down and horizontal to move towards left or right. Creating a new presentation. A new presentation can be created by using blank presentation or templates. Creating a blank presentation. The following steps should be followed for creating a new blank presentation. Step 1. Start PowerPoint 2016. Step 2. Press the ESC key when the Start screen appears. Step 3. Click on the File tab to display the Backstage view. Step 4. Click on the New option on the left pane of the Backstage view to display the new page. Step 5. Click on Blank Presentation Thumbnail. Smart bit. The shortcut key to create a new presentation is Ctrl+N key combination. Creating presentation using templates. A template is a pre-designed presentation you can use to create a new slideshow quickly. Templates often include custom formatting and designs, so they can save you a lot of time and effort when starting a new project. There are a couple of options when creating presentation from a template. The given steps should be followed. Step 1. Click the File tab to access Backstage View, then select New. Step 2. You can click a suggested search to find templates or use the search bar to find something more specific. In our example, we are searching for the keyword signs. Step 3. A gallery of online templates will open. Select a template to review it. Step 4. A preview of the template will appear along with additional information how the template can be used. Step 5. Click on Create to use the selected template. Step 6. A new presentation will appear with the selected template. Fact bit. Help in MS PowerPoint can be used if computer is connected to the internet. It helps through articles and videos from Microsoft Office. Adding text in the placeholder. A placeholder is a dotted rectangular box. You can write your text here. Step 1. Click on the Click to Add Title placeholder. The cursor blinks inside the text box. Now type some text, say Science Project. Similarly, select Click to Add Subtitle placeholder and type some text, say Life Cycle of Butterfly. Step 2. Now click outside the text box. You will notice the entered text appears on the slide in the slide pane. Smart bit. The shortcut key to add a new slide is Ctrl+M key combination. Saving a presentation. It is important to save your presentation whenever you start a new project or make changes to an existing one. Saving early and often can prevent your work from being lost. We should save the presentation for future use. The given steps should be followed for saving the file. Step 1. Click on the File tab and the Backstage view will appear. Step 2. Click on the Save option. Step 3. You will then need to choose where to save the file and give it a file name. Click Browse to select a location on your computer. Step 4. The Save As dialog box appears. Select the area where you want to save the file. Step 5. Click the File Name text box and type a name for your file. Step 6. Click on the Save button. Fact bit. The files in PowerPoint 2016 are saved with the extension .pptx. Smart bit. Ctrl+S keys on the keyboard can be used for saving a slideshow. Opening a presentation. In addition to creating new presentations, you will often need to open a presentation that was previously saved. Step 1. Select the File tab to go to Backstage View. Then click Open. Step 2. Click Browse. Alternatively, you can choose OneDrive to open files stored on your OneDrive. Step 3. The Open dialog box will appear. Locate and select your presentation. Then click Open. Closing a presentation. You must close the presentation after completing your work. Step 1. Click on the File tab. Step 2. Click on Close option. To exit a presentation, click on the Close button on the title bar or use Alt+F4 key combination. Lesson sum up. PowerPoint is a software which helps in creating presentation. A slide is a single page of presentation. A presentation consists of many slides. There are different parts of PowerPoint window. A new presentation can be created by using blank presentation or templates. By default, a presentation contains only one slide with dotted rectangular boxes called placeholders. Many slide layout options are available in PowerPoint.